Yeah, guys, good morning. Hope you're doing well. I'm good. I slept well. The cold was so much. Like, that was an expensive cold. I've never felt like that before. And in fact, I had to do this. So, if I felt the cold, how was JJ feeling? Like, how was he feeling? Anyway, it's a rainy season, so regardless, we have to accept it. So, guys, I want to clean the compound. I want to sweep. This compound looks like a mess, and the fact that I'm starting at the gate, um, I'm just here to start the cleaning.
눈 뜨면 눈부신 아침 햇살과 모닝콜로 너와 시작하는 하루 마치 내 인생의 포커스가 지금에 맞춰진 걸까 따뜻한 모닝커피의 향기가 오늘 하루도 날 기대하게 만드는 걸 우리 오늘은 또 어떻게 지낼까 너를 바라만 보고 있어도 좋아 아무 말도 하지 않아도 난 좋아 너의 눈만 바라봐도 내 모든 걸 다 알 것 같아 우린 너무 완벽하게 모든 게 다 잘 맞아서 가끔 난 걱정이 돼
I'm done. I'm done sweeping. At least you can see, but there's some flowers that are still falling down. Like, surely this tree. Anyway, I'm done with the sweeping, so I want to come along here and clean this veranda here. But I'm tired. I'm tired, Mom. I'm tired. I feel tired as if I didn't have breakfast. Before that, let me cut something to eat. The udri I'm taking is we bought it. It was bought from the market, and it's a combination of so many things. Like in this porridge, there is carrots, there is sweet potatoes, there is yams, there is cassava, there is what do you call it? Millet, sorghum. Sorry. So it's healthy to take it. It's so healthy to take it. But if it has no sugar, you can't even have it. So the other day, my mom prepared as a porridge that she's taking. She's taking porridge with combination of all that, and then There is omena in it, and there is moringa. The moringa leaves. I think the moringa, yeah. That thing tastes weird. Just ew. The smell itself, so pleasing. But anyway, so I want to have some energy because I truly want to come and sweep this other side, and then I'm tired, and then come back and start preparing lunch on time. Prepare lunch on time before I head out. I'm going out. Tomorrow I'm planning to have my driving classes again, so that is set for tomorrow. I'm hoping that all goes well, and I hope my driver is available tomorrow, because this is something I truly need to do. I've been struggling so much, like when it comes to taking Gigi to the hospital at night, or maybe I want to go somewhere and I have a baby and I can't drive. It truly makes me feel bad. Yeah, so I'm trying my best. I'm not a driver. I don't like driving. I'm not a fanatic of cars, but now it is what it is. I need to upgrade my life. If truly I need to have a good life, I truly need to upgrade my life and change on how I see things. This is the view. This is the aerial view of our home. That's how it looks like. Hey, let me sweep here, and then I call it a day for now. So done with cleaning, so let me go and now eat some sugarcane. This is the situation down here, and I want to come and look for sugarcane, like harvest that sugarcane. So let me get a knife and do that as up as now. Are they soft? I don't know if they are soft. You need to taste. Yay! We are harvesting sugarcane. We used to ask for permission to come and harvest sugarcane from my father. So if he says no eating sugarcane. Sometimes you eat the sugarcane and throw this thing on the river so that we are never caught. Or you harvest and then you replant it. But currently, I don't see anyone having interest in sugarcane. So let me go and enjoy this one. Yeah,
And I will
even
tell you how. But the last time I checked, these sugar canes are so sweet. They are hard and sweet. We also have this other type. We have two types. There is also this one. It's the hard one. It's the thin one. So hard but so sweet. So let's test this one and see what we do. So do you have to replant this one? Is it this one that we replant or it's which one? This one?
I think that one.
This one? Oh!
The other behind one is so old.
Huh?
The other one behind, it's old. That one, yeah.
Yeah, it seems to be very old. Even this, I think all these sugar canes here are so old. I don't know if they have taste, but let's see. We had ducks long time ago. They would come and swim here. This place was so beautiful back then, but currently no one is interested with this place. So we have this type of sugar cane. It's the thin one, the hard one, but so sweet, and they're still there. Here we have a variety. We have yams also that are growing. We also have sweet potatoes around here growing, and also we have this type of leaves. People say like Kikuyu people know how to cook mokimo. The mokimo they use this one. Here we have a few variety of greens, some skuma, but now we have to redo farming. Yeah, so let me go home and enjoy. Hi my people. JJ, hey. Now let me taste this sugar cane. Wow, let me taste this. I'm trying to do the Nairobi way. I think I should do the village way of just pulling it with your teeth in. But now, it's sweet. I never expected that. At least she's biting it. Oh my goodness, the sweetness in this thing. Guys, this sugar cane is so hard, but the sugarness in it. I don't think I should eat this and take tea. I should take the tea when it's sugarless, because the sugar, I think this is the hardest type of sugar cane I was talking about. It has minimal water, like juice, but it's so sweet. Oh my goodness. Daddy J is messing things here. This sugarcane, when my dad comes, I think he's the best person to eat this sugarcane with, because the sweetness here and his stories, when he's telling you stories, and this sweetness, those two things will slap very well. So guys, let me enjoy my sugarcane. Once I'm done, I'll go shower and have my lunch. So until the next vlog, bye.